Mr. Donkey, taking break from babysitting. I guess he deserves little break. Lately he is taking care of two babies. Babies are growing, they're not that little anymore. I'm not sure what happened to their mother. Mr. Donkey is in charge. His name is Ivan. He just always, since he was born, was shorter than his siblings. That's why I'm calling him Donkey. And he is taking care of two babies lately. It's a lot. It's a huge responsibility. And of course, he deserves a little break, so he's by himself. It's okay, go it. It's fine. It's fine. You know me. It's okay. Danke. You know me. Why you suddenly so shy? Okay. You see? I didn't attack you. We're friends. You know it. Okay. Enjoy your little break and come back with babies.